Hi guys, and today I'll be doing a video on how to make the paper tank. Now the great thing about this design is that it can be made with any size of paper. I find it best to use A4 or construction paper because it does like this. But if you could size it down, A6 also works, and basically any size. But for this video I'm going to be using A4. So the first step is to fold it in half like that. Okay, so now you want to fold this side to the center crease right there. Okay, so just so you know, everything's going to be mirrored from this side to this side, so just do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now you want to fold this to the center crease right here to make like a triangle shape. Okay, so now you want to fold this side to the center. Okay, so now you want to fold this here to the outside, like that. Okay, so now you should see this part at the top. You want to just fold along this line, just a bit back from there, in half like that. So now you don't see any pattern here. Now you want to fold this to here like that. So just fold like that, and this, it would be a bit harder to fold, so just use your fingers and do that, and just push it down. I also find that it helps if you take a pencil like this and just press down like that. So now you want to just take this up and put this underneath, and lift up these side flaps and put them underneath those triangles like that. Okay, so now you want to flip it around and just do this, just push and just grab this and just push with your thumbs out, and that is your tank. But it obviously needs a barrel to be a tank. So for the barrel, you could use basically anything, but I like to use just a rolled up piece of paper like this, and just put it in the triangle like that. So for the rolled up piece of paper, you would just take a little bit of paper and just like roll it up like that, and then just put it in here, and that should be your finished tank. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you never miss an upload. And if you want your friends to also be good at origami, show this to them too by sharing it to them. Now, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye!